Alright, it's another 60-second van tour. It's the white rusty Sprinter with lots of stickers on the back. You enter through the back door. It's the Gnarliest. Odessa and Mark, peanut butter van. Show us around.
This is our kitchen and storage. That's our sink. This is our fried.
This is the fridge.
It's the fridge slash fried. Pretty good. Rolls out on the door. We have another drawer there that Odessa built.
That's all our clothes.
Good job, Odessa.
Oh fuck, it doesn't open it now.
Oh. It just, the lock was on.
You gotta come in.
Alright, stepping into the peanut butter van.
This is our bed.
Ooh, so roomy.
Yeah. We have a queen size bed.
Queen, yeah. Our goal zero is under here.
Goal zero under there, powering everything, even the lights. Doot doot.
Yeah.
What's your?
Go ahead.
What's your favorite part? What's your least favorite part? How long have you lived in it?
2.5 years.
2.5 years.
2.5 years. And your favorite part and your least favorite part?
Favorite part is, I don't know, that everything is built by us pretty much.
And then we can do whatever we want and we never have to pack anything.
Yeah.
Least favorite part is bed is in the front of the van and not the back of the van. Yeah.
That's okay.
We're like
though.
the opposite of a mullet. We're party in the front, business in the back.
Party in the front, business.
Alright, a quick Vanning Ain't No Joke shout out.
Vanning ain't no joke, baby.
Joke, baby.
Woo!